हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑर्बिट्स। वी नो दैट nucleus, around this nucleus electron is just rotating around this nucleus due to positive charge at the center of the nucleus. So positive charge is attract this electron to rotating around the nucleus, right? So here there are two types of force. Whenever any object is rotating around some other object and the orbit is circular, then there will be centripetal force mv square upon r. So r is the distance from the center to the electron itself. So this force is balanced by the Coulomb attractive force here, and that Coulomb attractive force is E square upon why E square here, because the one is proton and another is electron, but proton have same charge value, that's why I have to write E square 4 pi epsilon 0, distance between them is r square. So r square gets cancelled out. If subject r, then what happens? R is equal to E square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 mv square. So this is the orbit which electron is rotating around the nucleus. So this is the particular radius of the orbit. So it is called radius of orbit of electron. Okay. Now kinetic energy of that rotating electron, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now convert this equation into half, so I have to just multiply this equation with the only half. So my kinetic energy becomes now E square multiply denominator by 2 is 8 pi epsilon 0. Here it is r, so it is as it is. So this is kinetic energy of electron which is revolving around the nucleus. Now potential energy. So potential energy between electron and proton, that is minus E square upon 4 pi epsilon 0, simple as that. Now total energy of electron. So total energy formula is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. What is kinetic energy here? E square upon 8 pi epsilon 0 r minus E square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. So this is like, this formula is nothing but like 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1, and this answer of this example is minus 1 by 2. So I have to write first of all minus and the lesser value of between two values. So E square upon 8 pi epsilon 0 into r. So that's the lesser value, right? Here we have lesser value is 1 by 2. So minus sign and 1 by 2. Minus sign and the lesser value. So that's the total energy of our electron which is revolving around the nucleus, right? So that's it for today now. Please like and subscribe.